Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In today's video, we will solve interesting Olympiad math problem, that is square root 2 minus 1 whole power is 6 equals what? So we will solve this question in a very easy and simple way, step by step. First of all, let's consider square root 2 minus 1 equals x. To find x square, we will take square on both sides as square root 2 equals x plus 1. Now taking the square root on both sides, square root 2 square and in this side x plus 1 square. Here we apply the formula of a plus b whole square, that is x square plus 2x plus 1, and in this side we get 2. So we write the value of x square as x square plus 2x plus 1 equals 2. Then x square will be equal 2 minus 1 minus 2 of x. It's mean 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 minus 2x is x square. Now we will take cube on both sides because we have to find the value of x square. So 1 minus 2 of x cube. Now here we will apply the formula of a cube, that is, we will rewrite the formula here, that is a minus b whole cube, that equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now we apply this formula here. So we get x power 6 equal 1 cube minus 3 into 1 in 1 square, that is 1 into bx, that is 2 of x, plus 3, a is 1 and b is 2 of x square minus b of cube mean 2x cube. So we get 1 minus 6x plus 2x square is 4x square, so 4 into 3 is 12. 12x square minus 2 cube is 8 and x will be x cube. So we get this. Now we will rearrange this as 1 minus 6x plus 2x square as 1 minus 6x plus 12. The value of x square is 1 minus 2x. Then minus 8x, remaining is x square. So in place of x square, we will again write 1 minus 2 of x. Now we get 1 minus 6x plus 12 minus 12 into 2, 24x minus 8 of x. Then plus 8x plus 8x, that is 16x square. Now we will solve this further as, so we write 1 minus 6x, 6x plus minus 24x will be, and minus 8x, 6x minus 4x will be 30x and minus 8x is 38x and 12 plus 1 is 13. So we get x6 equal 13 minus 38x and plus 16x square. We will rewrite the value of x square, that is 1 minus 2x. So 13 minus 38x plus 16 into 1 minus 2 of x. Now we get 13 minus 38x plus 16 multiply 1 is 16. 16 multiply 2 is 32. 32x. Now we get 13 plus 16, that will be 29. And minus 38 and 32 means 70. Then we get 29 minus 70, and the value of x will be square root of 2 minus 1. So we get 29 minus 90 square root 2 plus 70. So we add 29 plus 70, that will be 99. 99 minus 70 square root of 2. So this will be the final answer. This is the value of x6. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most important Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.